Hajat Cai Ngelawat Lembur in Parakan Salam Village, Anda Sustisna Street, Nyalindung, Cipatat, West Bandung, Regency. Hajat Cai Ngelawat Lembur is a cultural archive of the past recorded in the customs of the cultural traditions of society. This event is commemorated every year on 21 June as the day of Hajat Cai Ngelawat Lembur, which lasted from generation to generation. The originators of this tradition are Mbah Dalam Jagat Sakti and Mama Idris. This ritual continues to be maintained by their children and grandchildren in Parakan Salam village. This ritual begins with the taking of water by 7 traditional fighters or pesilat. This is an illustration of the water from 7 springs, begin from the source of the springs of Cikahuripan, Ciasihan, Cikarahayuan, Cikalanggengan, Cikamuliaan, Cikadugalan, and Cikawangian. In this ritual process, the supernatural beings always present as the god of 7 springs called Dedemit Sarongge. The task of this creature is as a law enforcer of the unwritten custom law, but admittedly inherent in the community, meaning that if there are unscrupulous people who are trying to disturb the water sources, this creature will appear to drive them away. In this ceremony, the water brought by 7 fighters is inserted into the barrel. Once collected, this water is given prayer by the elders of Adat and Adat stakeholders by pleading a willing to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala so that the Parakan Salam village given salvation, fortune, and blessing.
Desa Nyalindung, Kecamatan Cipatat, Kabupaten Bandung Barat, Jawa Barat, Indonesia.
After that, the chicken slaughter is done as a reinforcement order for people to be saved from accident related to blood. The next step is sprinkling water by the customary stakeholders as a symbol of the prayers that have been done. After the ritual was over, Pencak Silat was performed to entertain the Parakan Salam village community. Haris Dirgantara, Karimaca, West Bandung.